Hey, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Today we're going to talk about balancing the regulatory focus and enforcement. Okay. Technology and the rest of industry have a new foe, and that foe is regulation. No doubt about it. Many CEOs have never experienced this level of scrutiny and aggressiveness. Okay, to see something as stifling to one's business model, look at what it was like for, let's say, Microsoft when they were charged by the DOJ in the 1990s. Okay, we're likely to see a lot more action on the regulation side front across all industries in the coming years and beyond. Okay, so it's something. The only reason I'm bringing it up is because it's something that we have to be prepared to deal with. Okay, if we're not prepared for it, then it's going to hit us smack in the face. So you got to be paying attention in your business, following what regulatory guidelines are currently out in the Ethernet, and what guidance is being put out by all those regulatory federal agencies and so on and so forth. Sometimes it doesn't hurt to get a legal review on the things that you're doing, just to make sure you're staying within the guidelines. So anyway, apologize. My nose is kind of plugged today, but I hope you found that useful on today's Daily Dose. And as always, smash that like button, and you can get a hold of us at www.strategicadvisorboard.com. And remember, dream it, believe it, and go achieve it. We'll see you on tomorrow's episode.